Hey, good morning, guys. It's another great day on the TransAmerica Trail. We just broke camp here at Betsy's something or other campground thing.
Country store
And
campground.
And, you know, the struggle is real. So instead of just getting on and riding, I got to get the drone up, got to get set up to get our departure, and then we'll ride down the road a little bit, shoot a couple of shots, land it, pack it, and then we can get on the road.
And all of this is Chris's fault.
Jason, you better stay in the lead since that's the start where we started.
Okay.
Don't go too far, because that opening is where we're going to ride through.
Speed up, Steve. All right, tuck on behind him, Jason.
All right.
I wonder if when Jason edits this, if he's going to include some of these director requests on his video.
Roll, B-roll.
Staging the shot. We are back on the TransAmerica Trail heading west. Hopefully make it to Maggie Valley tonight. What did you guys think of the campsite last night?
Man, it was great.
Showers.
Yes.
Showers. Showers are good, huh? Yeah.
I'm thinking the bathhouse is the most important aspect of a campsite.
And this one was clean and it had hot water.
And it had a heater.
But what do you think of this trail so far? Is this amazing or what?
Man, this is awesome.
This is the best part yet so far.
Nice. Well, let's hope it continues like this for a ways. Look at this view, boys! Oh, we made it to the mountains of North Carolina, and as you can see, another beautiful view from the TransAmerica Trail. What do you guys see?
Looking at this guy's fish. Oh, we gotta stop and take a picture.
I got it on film. We're good.
Ooh, tight right. Tight left. Tight right. I think I get the idea.
You're starting to get repetitive there, Steve.
One of my favorite stories about my boys where they were seniors in high school. Was it hailing?
Yeah, big old drops.
And we were in the living room and I laughed at them and I said, boys, I said, oh, slow down, left turn, get off the road. It's like we're going to suit up here. But I said, I want you to remember one thing. Before we start, one of your boys is going to get really hurt. Oh, shit.
Woo!
Thing just went. Bike 70 and my boys wanted to ride it so bad. I said, all right, y'all want to ride it? Come on, go out in the backyard, I'll teach you how to ride it. I said, the first thing you're going to learn, I cut the fuel off, I threw it on the side. I said, pick it up. I said, no, I want to learn how to ride. I said, pick it up. I said, because here's the deal. if you fall and I'm not around, how you gonna pick it up?
That's right.
There's no such thing as bad weather. It's bad clothing.
Hey! We had to take a quick break. Look at this. Photo opportunity. Hey Steve, what you shooting? What you shooting? Got water? Sound gonna mess us up? Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Do it again, sorry. Hey, so what did you bring, Steve?
I brought a Nikon D500, which is a crop sensor. And I've got my 10 to 24 for wide angle. It is a floater lens, as I like to call it. And then I've got a 28.
So that's a DX lens.
That is a DX crop sensor lens.
Okay.
And then I have a 28 to 300, which is a FX lens. But
So on that body, it's the equivalent of like a 35 to 450.
450, yeah. So I can
That's
reach out and touch somebody.
So
pretty good with
everything
this.
from
So
two
it's
lenses.
basically 16 to 400 is there's just a gap between the 24 and the 28, and it just works perfect. And for crop sensor, the D500 does an amazing job.
And it's probably just as light as a mirrorless camera, almost as small.
I used to have a mirrorless camera. I ended up going back to this. I just found it a little more versatile, a little more robust too.
Sweet.
With my big old mitts.
That's a nice travel kit, man. Nice setup.
So pretty much the way I travel with it is in my tank bag, and I've got the camera, the backup lens. They can both switch back and forth, and I've got my spare battery on the side.
The only thing that would make this footage any better would be if there was like a bajillion yellow and orange leaves on the ground and you guys were like flipping it up in the air as you rode through. You can add that in After Effects, can't you, Jason?
Oh, like a jam. Oh, the twisty sign.
Yeah! That's our favorite sign right there.
I know somebody's happy. Got these in the back.
I'm still happy, it don't matter.
That's a good one.
Hey, all good ones.
Right turn.
Here, brakes.
I'm here. I got you.
Oh, was that epic or what? Oh, what'd you think?
Man, that was incredible. That was worth the price of
Yes?
Freaking fantastic.
All right.
Yeah, man. Woo.
Oh, we finally made it to Maggie Valley. Look at my hair. We are at Maggie Valley. This is my cousin Beth and her husband Ken. Hi, Ken.
Doing social distancing.
You think this
Mostly because they just don't smell very good.
is this evidence? So you know that hug you gave me 5 minutes ago doesn't count. Anyway, we made it. Another cool place to stay.
Another cool place to stay.
Oh, I get it. So now I turn the camera on and all that guffawing and laughing that I heard around a few minutes ago stops. Great. Excellent. Pictures are backed up. That's good. Ready for a good night?
It won't be long. Ran out of toilet paper, so I started using lettuce leaves as the tip of the iceberg today. Tomorrow it'll.
Let me try again.
Tomorrow remains to be seen.
I understand that you recently won some kind of an award here in town.
I did. I got Best Photographer of Haywood County.
Yay!
Second year in a row.
And Steve got Best Photographer in...
Darlington County.
Woo! Yay!
And Chris got Best Photographer in his mind. So Beth and Ken are putting us up for tonight, letting us crash on their back patio. Thanks,
We
guys.
won't let them in the house.
No telling what cooties this crew's brought.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But tomorrow, we continue the trip up to Tellico Plains. I'll be riding solo. My compatriots are leaving me. Steve, where are you going?
I'm going home. Back to Hartsville, South Carolina.
Oh, we're going to miss you. And where are you going, Jason?
I'm going to Wilmington, North Carolina tomorrow. I got to be at a wedding on Saturday.
Oh, so much fun.
Long drive.
Has it been a good trip so far?
Oh, you know it has.
Yeah? What was the best day out of the
Today.
Today, the twisties were phenomenal.
Yeah?
And nothing like hitting gravel and wet roads.
I understand you had a little bit of a pucker factor today.
Yeah, downshifted and the back wheel locked up. And according to my compadre here, he said his back end slid out a little bit, but it was no big deal. I just
Could have lost a limb, but it was no big
hammered
deal.
down and pulled myself out of it and kept going.
All right. Cool. Well, I just want to say thanks to these guys for joining me. It's been an awesome trip, and we will continue the latter part of the TransAmerica Trail at some point to be determined in the future.
I knew that the back wheel had locked on.